This is Dr. Glick, and we will be reviewing how to comfortably wear your device. This device has been prescribed to you by your provider to help alleviate snoring and/or sleep apnea. The device consists of two different parts. The first is the oral appliance that will fit in your mouth with the two retainers fitting on both the upper and the lower teeth. The upper retainer of the oral appliance is shown. The metal hook on the upper retainer will connect to the lower retainer to move the jaw in a more forward position to open up the airway. The second part are the nasal pillows that will fit on your nose, and the size of the pillows have been custom selected for you. The hose for the nasal pillows will be connected to your CPAP. To adjust the positioning of the nasal pillows to the oral appliance, loosen the connection and reposition. It helps to first loosen the connection, place in mouth, place comfortably on the nose, then tighten. The lower retainer will be connected to the upper retainer like this. Should you have any additional questions, please see our other videos, information on our website at www.spiradental.com, or contact our office.